World War II remains etched in history as one of the darkest chapters of human conflict. Amidst the relentless bombings and the thunderous roars of destruction, one country bore the brunt like no other. Today, we delve into the harrowing tale of the most bombed country in World War II, a nation that experienced unimaginable devastation and yet displayed unparalleled resilience in the face of adversity. As bombs rained down upon its cities, reducing buildings to rubble and tearing lives apart, the stark reality of war unfolded. The sheer magnitude of destruction inflicted upon this country was unfathomable, with no corner left untouched by the fires of conflict. But amidst the chaos, stories of survival, heroism, and unwavering spirit emerged. In the following pages, we will explore the historical context and significance of this country, shedding light on the strategic importance it held during the war. We will delve into the impact of the bombings, from the destruction of vital infrastructure to the irreplaceable loss of civilian lives. We will witness the enduring scars on the economy and the long road to recovery that lay ahead. Join us on this poignant journey as we recount the stories of resilience and rebuilding, of a nation rising from the ashes with unwavering determination. Through the tales of survival and the lessons learned from the most bombed country in World War II, we shall come face to face with the horrors of war and recognize the indomitable human spirit that prevails even in the darkest of times. Background on the most bombed country. In the annals of World War II, one country stands as a somber testament to the relentless onslaught of bombings that scarred its landscape and shattered its people. To understand the depths of its devastation, we must delve into the background of the most bombed country, a nation whose history became intertwined with the horrors of war. This country, with its strategic geographic location and significant industrial capabilities, became a prime target for enemy forces. The relentless bombings aimed to cripple its infrastructure, disrupt supply chains, and demoralize its population. City after city was reduced to rubble, homes turned to ashes, and dreams extinguished. Yet, amidst the chaos and destruction, the resilience of its people emerged. From underground resistance movements to acts of individual heroism, the indomitable spirit of this country's citizens refused to be extinguished. Their courage and determination formed the bedrock of hope, even in the face of unimaginable devastation. Join us as we explore the historical significance and strategic importance that made this country a focal point of enemy attacks. Witness the bravery of its people and the struggles they endured. In understanding the background of the most bombed country in World War II, we honor their sacrifice and acknowledge the enduring strength that arose from the ashes. Impact of bombings. The impact of bombings during World War II on the most bombed country is a haunting tale of destruction that reverberates through history. The relentless onslaught of bombs left a trail of devastation and immeasurable human suffering in its wake. Infrastructure, once pillars of thriving communities, crumbled into ruins. Iconic landmarks, symbols of a nation's heritage, were reduced to rubble. The scars left by the bombings marred the landscape, serving as haunting reminders of the horrors endured by the civilian population. But the impact extended far beyond physical destruction. Lives were shattered, families torn apart, and communities fractured. Innocent civilians paid the ultimate price, caught in the crossfire of a brutal conflict. The loss of life was immeasurable, leaving behind a void that could never be filled. Moreover, the long-term consequences on the country's economy were profound. Industrial centers lay in ruins, disrupting production and plunging countless into poverty. The road to recovery was steep and arduous, requiring immense resilience and collective effort. In this poignant chapter of history, we bear witness to the human cost of war. We honor the lives lost and the indomitable spirit of those who survive. The impact of bombings serves as a stark reminder of the importance of cherishing peace, safeguarding lives, and striving for a world where such devastation is never repeated. Resilience in rebuilding. In the face of unimaginable devastation, the most bombed country in World War II exhibited a remarkable spirit of resilience and determination. From the ashes of destruction, the people of this war-torn nation rose, embracing the arduous task of rebuilding their lives and their homeland. Amidst the rubble, stories of survival and resistance emerged, testaments to the unyielding human spirit. Underground movements and acts of defiance became beacons of hope, defying the darkness that had engulfed their land. With each step forward, the people showed an unwavering resolve to reclaim their shattered communities and rebuild their shattered dreams. Reconstruction efforts were fueled by a collective commitment to healing. New buildings rose from the ruins, symbolizing the tenacity and determination of the survivors. The scars remained, a reminder of the horrors endured, but they also became a testament to the resilience and strength that emerged from the darkest of times. Through their unwavering spirit, the people of the most bombed country demonstrated the power of resilience, reminding us that even in the face of unimaginable destruction, the human spirit has the capacity to endure, rebuild, and emerge stronger. Their stories serve as a poignant reminder of the strength of the human will and the transformative power of hope. Lessons learned. The devastation inflicted upon the most bombed country in World War II stands as a stark reminder of the horrors of war and the profound lessons that emerged from the depths of destruction. From the ashes of despair, valuable insights were gleaned, shaping the course of history and paving the way for a more peaceful future. The scars left by the bombings served as enduring reminders of the futility and senselessness of armed conflict. Lives lost, cities decimated, and communities torn apart compelled the world to reevaluate the cost of war. The suffering endured by the people of this ravaged nation underscored the importance of cherishing peace, diplomacy, and international cooperation. Through the trials and tribulations of rebuilding, the most bombed country learned the significance of unity and resilience. They forged bonds that transcended differences, working hand in hand to restore their nation. Their stories of survival and determination exemplify the triumph of the human spirit in the face of adversity. As we reflect on the lessons learned from the devastation of the most bombed country, let us honor the lives lost, embrace the pursuit of peace, and strive to build a world where the horrors of war are relegated to history. May their sacrifices serve as a constant reminder of the imperative to foster understanding, compassion, and global harmony. Conclusion. As we reach the conclusion of the tumultuous journey through the devastation endured by the most bombed country in World War II, our hearts are heavy with the weight of the immeasurable suffering and loss. Yet, amidst the darkness, glimmers of hope emerge, reminding us of the resilience and strength of the human spirit. The stories of survival, the acts of heroism, and the determination to rebuild speak volumes about the indomitable nature of humanity. From the ruins, this country rose, not defeated, but emboldened to forge a new path towards peace and healing. We are left with valuable lessons etched into our collective memory. The horrors of war remind us of the fragility of life and the importance of cherishing peace. The scars serve as poignant reminders of the cost of conflict and the imperative to seek diplomatic resolutions. Let us carry the stories of the most bombed country in World War II in our hearts, honoring the lives lost and celebrating the triumphs of resilience and rebuilding. May their legacy inspire us to strive for a world where compassion, understanding, and harmony prevail. Together, let us sow the seeds of peace and ensure that the devastation of war remains a dark chapter in our history, never to be repeated.